here for my dentist appointment. It's actually before my appointment. It starts in about 23 minutes. I'm gonna do a stroll of the heat pumps next door. So, oh, I see a couple of cars. Oh no! No! There's a new Daikin. Fuck! No! Brand new. It's a heat pump though. What the fuck? No! Oh no! It's a heat pump though. Great. Now it's. Wait. Did they get scrapped? Well, this sucks. Did not want to find that out. Doesn't seem like anything's on. Bro, there's so many people here. I literally just saw a woman. I don't hear anything running. Well, damn it, I didn't want to. I'll go back over and get the dates. I'm surprised this one hasn't gotten scrapped yet. There's that. Oh my god, the tarp is gone. I don't know what that's all about, but there's that one. Here's the Bryant. I did not want to. Alright, there's that. Here's the one that burnt my hand. Yeah, they're all heat pumps. Yeah, I'll go back and get the dates for you. I did not want to find that out. Oh wait, what? Alright, so I'm gonna go back over. I'm so disappointed to see that. Also, there are a few people in their cars. Buddy, I hope they weren't all paying attention. I just ran back there. So, sorry if I'm holding my phone down. That really sucks. So 2 of them are gone now. Look at that. See? And then there's an old Coleman here. I was acting natural because people can see me. So, wait, is this 454? Yo, these are 454. Oh no, well, this is 2024. It's a 4-ton. Yep. So obviously I don't know what it has, but you can see it's a heat pump. Here's another Amana. See the. So here is. So this one is also. What the? It's a 4-ton? Also a 2-ton. I'm just looking. Sorry, they saw me. This sucks. Here. Yeah, this really sucks.